To make a namkha for a being or a deity, you need 2 strong sticks. One will be about a third longer than the other. These sticks are prepared by being notched with a knife. You begin by making the eye. Black yarn or thread is used for the pupil of the eye, and it is this yarn or thread that is used to bind these 2 sticks together perpendicularly, with the horizontal stick being about a third of the distance from the top of the vertical stick. This black yarn is then surrounded by white yarn. This represents the white of the eye. This is surrounded by red yarn. This is the eye of the namkha. After that, one can add a highlight color to add to the beauty of the namkha, or you can simply go to the body color of the specific being or specific deity for whom the namkha will be used as a place of abiding. The namkha that Khenpo Kunchab Rinpoche is making is for the life demon. His body color is black. This namkha will be used to draw the life demon to a soul retrieval and death ransom ritual for healing. Now, Khenpo is making the ornaments for the namkha. They go on the top, the left, and the right sides of the namkha. There are 3 small groupings of yarn that are fastened together, although each grouping remains separate. The color of these ornamentations depend upon the type of namkha that's being made. This is the finished namkha. In the very center is the eye. Outside of that is the black representing the body color of the life demon. Now, Khenpo is making a representation for each of the 4 main retinue of the life demon. At the top of a single wooden stick is tied 3 groupings of yarn. Then the corresponding color of that particular retinue is used to wind down to the center of the stick, where a second group of yarn is tied. Once this grouping of yarn has been tied to the stick, the same color yarn is then wound further down the stick, and a third and final group of yarn is fastened to the stick. There are many different kinds of namkha. These are namkha of various auspicious symbols. These namkha have been prepared for a ritual involving Dukar, the white umbrella goddess. This is a very large namkha of red Garuda. This is a namkha of the enlightened protector Yeshewamo. This is also a Namkha of Yeshiwamo. This Namkha represents the 6 emanations of Sibijamo. Here, Khenpo Rinpoche and I are making mini Namkha for an elaborate ritual whose purpose is to harmonize the relationship between Nagas, known as Lu in Tibetan, and human beings. As part of his teachings, Buddha Tongpa Shinrab detailed the many different kinds of Namkha and their purposes over 18,000 years ago.